Hey everybody, me and boy RJ, a little bit of spring maintenance. Stihl, as you know, I hate FC96. Placed the spark plug. It is a Super R10. And it is actually numbered, I'll put a link below. It's that we got it from Amazon? Sorry, not a Super R10, a regular Bosch R10, but there's different sizes of them. So I'm gonna pull this guy off here, and it's gonna help. We hope that the Stihl is a piece of crap. This is a year old right now, as you can see. I hate it. It gases it over. The gas tank fills up with fumes all the time. You have to do this all the time. Keep it going. Die install. Still had that problem ever since they went to this 4-stroke 2-cycle, whatever they call it, 4-cycle, but it's not. It's 2-cycle. All you're gonna need is your Stihl tool. It's gonna fight you because this muffler comes a little too close. So if you got one of the smaller, I think it's 13/16, maybe 5/8, I don't know. Whatever the smaller spark plug tool is. I'll go see in a minute, let you know. All right, and as you can see, there's the old guy. It's 1 year. He's a low corrode, and I actually sanded him down a few weeks ago because we couldn't find one of these. So you got it. Put them in. See what happens. See if it stays on. I'm not gonna be able to tell now, but I'll know after a few yards tomorrow. Because, you know, it's a piece of boop. We're done. Did I already do the filter like last week on another video? I don't know. We bought the filter, right? Pretty sure I did the filter last week, y'all. We'll double check. If not, we'll do that change now, but I'm pretty sure I did that, and I think I made a video for it. But I can't remember. Same thing, just use your Stihl tool. That's the one nice thing Stihl does is the tool's right out. We just placed it. Filthy already. Really filthy already. Go back together. Get it. Pause it until I turn it on. Put it back together. Little guy up. And then, of course, it's going to start it because, you know, unless it was making me look stupid, but ready? I won't be able to tell if it's going to stall. It will anyway, though. It did it when it's new. It's the vacuum powers up and you gotta restart it. Keep your spark plug around since it was running, because sometimes spark plugs go bad. It's weird, but they just do. So keep this around just in case that stops working. You at least got a running spark plug. You just can't find these very easy, like the stores, Advance and stuff don't usually have them. So yeah, that's it. Hope you liked the video. I know it wasn't much. Please like, subscribe. If a little bit helps during times. As always, I'm RJ. Seize the day each and every day. And remember, this is in the description below. From Amazon. Help me, help you. I'll get like 5 cents, okay? Bye-bye.